Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter in English language, chapter number 18, sentence transformation. Okay. Here we learn how one kind of sentence can be transformed into another of by changing their basic sentence structures. Okay. In the previous chapter we learned about the different kinds of sentences and their sentence structures. Now come to the first one, transformation of affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Here we learn how to transform affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Okay. Now first one is the in case of be verbs such as is, am, are, was, were, the verb is followed by the word not or its short form nt. The sentence structure is subject plus be verb plus object per full stop in affirmative sentence, but we change into negative sentence. The sentence structure is subject plus be verb plus not plus object plus full stop in negative sentence. Okay, for example, Rima is the only child. In negative, Rima is not the only child, or Rima isn't the only child. Now come to the second one. The negative word no or not is used in the case of have verbs such as have, has, had. The sentence structure is in affirmative sentence subject plus have verb plus object plus full stop. Into change in negative sentence, the sentence structure is subject plus have verb plus no or not plus object plus full stop. Okay. Now come to the third one. In the case of auxiliary verbs, no, not or nt is used between the auxiliary and the main verb. Okay. In fourth one, in case the action verb is the main verb of the affirmative sentence, the auxiliary verb do, or does, or did is introduced before the main verb, and the word not is used in between the auxiliary and the main verb in the base form. Okay. In the fourth sentence, the sentence is tell about how the auxiliary verbs can be used with the no or not in basic forms. Okay, the sentence structure is subject plus action verb plus object in affirmative sentence, but we change in negative sentence. The sentence structure is subject plus do, does, did plus action verb plus not plus object. Okay, now come to the next one, transformation of interrogative sentence into non-negative interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means your question, asking question sentence. Okay. In the case of interrogative sentences, the negative word not is used after the subject and before the main verb. Main verb means your principal verb. Okay, to change interrogative sentence into negative sentence, the sentence structure is in interrogative sentence do, does, did plus subject plus action verb plus object plus interrogative mark, matlab means question mark. But we change in negative interrogative sentence do, does, did plus subject plus not plus action verb plus object then question mark. Okay. Now come to the last one, transformation of imperative sentence into negative sentence. Imperative sentence means your command, order, request sentence. Okay. In case of imperative sentence, do not, don't are used to change imperative sentences into negative sentences. No subject is required in such sentences. The sentence structure is in imperative sentence action verb plus object, and then in negative sentence do not, don't plus action verb plus object is used in negative sentence. For example, run fast. Okay, but in negative, do not run fast, yeah, don't run fast. Okay, that's all students. Thank you class.